How to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80070426. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. First open Start and type wsreset. A blank command prompt window will open, do not close it, and after about 10 seconds, the window will close, and the Microsoft Store will open automatically. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter can automatically detect and fix common problems with the Microsoft Store and its applications. This tool checks for issues and applies fixes where possible. The Microsoft Store Installer service is essential for installing, updating, and uninstalling store apps. Ensuring this service is running can resolve issues related to app management. If the service is not running, double-click it, and pick Automatic under the Startup type from the drop-down menu. Click Start, Apply, and OK. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, sometimes, user accounts can get corrupted. Creating a new one can remediate this issue. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.